Hey everyone, my name is Sahil, and in today's video we're going to talk about a topic that is very important for the electrical and fire safety of your home. Whether you're an electrician, an engineer, or just a layman, I'm going to show you how to test the earthing at your home so that you know that you are safe from fire and so that your favorite electronics and electrical appliances are also safe from electrical shocks. In this video, I'll cover what is earthing, why your home needs earthing, and how it is done, and how to test your earthing using two very simple methods. First of all, just using a simple bulb, and secondly, using a multimeter. So let's get started. First of all, what is earthing? Earthing, also known as grounding, is a process that connects your home's electrical system to the earth. This provides a low resistance or a very easy path for the electricity to go into the ground. By letting electricity do that, it protects your appliances from damage and keeps you and your family safe from electrical shocks or fires. So, why does your home need earthing? Well, fault currents can enter your appliances due to various factors, such as power surges, lightning strikes, short circuits. In such situations, adequate earthing will protect you and your appliances by providing a low resistance path for those fault currents to the ground. Now, how is earthing done for your home? In very simple terms, all the electrical sockets in your home have earth points, and these earth points are connected using an earth link to the main distribution board of your house. From there, they're connected to what is called an earth electrode, which are usually steel rods with copper coating, or maybe an earth plate, which is a plate with copper coating, or maybe just galvanized plate, which is buried in the soil near your home or main distribution panel. When a circuit overload, a power surge, or short circuit occurs, the current flows through the earth electrode into the ground. This protects your home and appliances from damage. Disclaimer: do not perform these tests mentioned below unless you know what you're doing. Please use protective equipment at all times because you could get an electric shock. Now, let's move on to testing your home's earthing. Let's start with the light bulb method. First, prepare the bulb tester. With the help of a bulb holder, and a wire. Plug the wires from the bulb into the phase, which is the right hole, and neutral, which is the left hole of your electrical socket. Step 3. Turn on the switch and observe the bulb glowing brightly. Step 4. Remove the neutral wire and insert it into the earthing port, which is the top hole of the socket. If the bulb glows brightly, your earthing is adequate. If it dims or flickers, your house earthing is faulty. As you saw, the bulb did not dim or flicker. This means that the earthing here is adequate. Now, let's try the more advanced multimeter method for testing the earthing of your home. Step 1. Set the multimeter to the mode for AC or DC. Step 2. Attach the positive, red, probe to the port labeled V voltage and the negative, black, probe to the port labeled COM or common. Step 3. Insert the red probe into the neutral hole, which is the bottom left, and the black probe into the ground hole of the socket. Step 4. Check the reading on the multimeter, which should not be more than 3 volts. If there is an overload, then the voltage can reach up to 5 volts. The maximum allowable voltage between the neutral and earth should not be more than 5 volts. If it is, your earthing is not adequate. I'd like to conclude this video by saying that you should always ensure that you have proper earthing in your home. It protects you and your family from electrical hazards, from fires, and generally keeps all your appliances safe. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to test earthing at your home. At Axis, we manufacture, supply, install, design the entire earthing system for residences, for commercial buildings, for substations. So if you ever want to test the earthing of your home, please reach out to us. We also manufacture a wide range of earthing material that is tested as per the latest international standards. Please share your feedback and queries in the comments.